Let's begin with day 2 and day 3 of Wayanad. We started the day early because the weather in Wayanad is usually pleasant in the morning. The roads were surrounded by lush green forest and beautiful hills, making the drive itself a memorable experience. Every turn offered a different scenic view, and it felt so refreshing to be away from the city busy life. Our first destination was Ooru Tribal Heritage Village. Ooru is a unique place that showcases the culture and traditions of Kerala's tribal communities. As soon as we entered, we noticed the tradition-style huts, beautiful wooden structures, and peaceful surroundings. The village is built on a hill, so apart from learning about tribal culture, you also get amazing views of the surrounding valleys. Making through the valleys and walking through the village was a wonderful experience. We got to see the traditional handicrafts, local artwork, and displays that explain the lifestyle of different tribal communities. It gives you an opportunity to understand how these communities have preserved their culture for generations. The atmosphere here is very calm and relaxing. If you enjoy learning about local tradition and history, this place is definitely worth visiting. The natural beauty around the village makes it even more special, and we spent quite some time exploring and taking photos. Kindly have a look into these places. While visiting places, you can also have some snacks here. This is actually a man-made village that is created for tourists to visit. It's kind of worth visiting. After spending quite some time, we headed towards our next destination. This is Pookode Lake, where you have to park your vehicle and you have to walk 400 meters to reach the place. Pookode Lake is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Wayanad. This freshwater lake is surrounded by dense forest and rolling hills, making it an ideal place to relax and enjoy nature. The first thing that caught our attention was how peaceful the lake looked. The cool breeze, the sound of birds, and the greenery all around created a perfect atmosphere. We took a slow walk around the lake, enjoying the fresh air and beautiful scenery. One of the highlights here is boating. Watching the boats move across the calm water with the hills in the background was such a beautiful sight. Whether you choose pedal boating or row boating, it is fun experience for family and couples and friends. There are also small shops nearby where you can buy local snacks and handmade items. It's a nice place to spend a relaxing evening. As the sun slowly started setting, the weather became even more pleasant. We captured some beautiful photos and videos before ending our second day in Wayanad. Overall, day 2 was a perfect combination of culture, nature and relaxation. So we headed back towards our stay. Keep watching as we still have day 3 places in this video. Now let's move on to day 3. We started another exciting day with our first destination. It is Edakkal Caves. Edakkal Caves are one of the most famous attractions in Wayanad and are known for their ancient rock carvings that are believed to be thousands of years old. Reaching the caves requires a bit of trekking. The climb can be challenging in some places, but the path is surrounded by beautiful forests and scenic viewpoints, making the journey enjoyable. As we climbed higher, we were rewarded with breathtaking views of mountains and valleys. The fresh mountain air and peaceful surrounding made the effort completely worth it. You can see plenty of shops to eat and shop. There is a lot of shops there where you can shop. These pickled pineapple and mango are one of my favorite to have all the time. I never miss it. We took a ticket and entered Edakkal Cave. Inside the caves, we saw fascinating ancient carvings on the rock walls. It's amazing to think that these markings were created thousands of years ago. Standing inside such a historic place gives you a different feeling together. If you're planning to visit Edakkal Caves, I recommend wearing comfortable shoes, carrying a water bottle, and starting early to avoid the crowd and the afternoon heat. I would like to say that the journey itself a bit tiring because you have to walk a lot, since they have allocated a lot of parking lots which will start from very far to the actual location, and I suggest you guys can take a lot of breaks in between. There were two ways, one through cave entry and the other one was through man-made steps. We chose this cave entry. I feel this one was a shorter and a nice experience, and we were happy that we chose this path. as you enter the caves, you get that chilled feeling as you are inside a fridge. It's amazing feeling, and it's worth all the efforts that you put in to reach that location. This is the topmost place of Edakkal Cave. We spent some time and clicked some pictures. Since it was morning, there was no much of crowd and it was raining as well. So now we are heading back to Bangalore. This place was full of bright yellow sunflowers stretching across the fields. It looked absolutely beautiful and was one of the most colorful spots. So the peaceful surrounding and fresh air made this wonderful place to spend more time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.